आज़ाद डिजिटल चित्राल से मैं हूं आपके साथ ज़ाहिर महमूद। नाजरीन, इस वक्त यहां पर हम मौजूद हैं जस्टा खान पे, जो कैलाशियों का मंदिर माना जाता है। और यहाँ पर चिलम जोशी फेस्टिवल की जितनी भी तकरीबात हैं वो इस मंदिर के अंदर होती हैं। और यहाँ पर मर्द और ख़ातीन जो हैं वो रक्स करते हैं। और इस वक्त यहाँ पर ना सिर्फ मकामी सयाहों का तांता बंधा हुआ है बल्कि बैनुल अक़वामी टूरिस्ट भी यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं। मेरे साथ इस वक्त दो टूरिस्ट मौजूद हैं जो टर्किया से आए हैं। और आप जानते हैं कि पाकिस्तान और टर्किया के जो ताल्लुकात हैं वो बहुत अच्छे हैं और बहुत ही मोहब्बत वाले। सो हम इनसे बात करते हैं और जानते हैं कि ये कब आई हैं, क्यों आई हैं, इनको क्या अट्रैक्शन है कैलाश वैली से और ये यहाँ पर आकर कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम।
Hello,
हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
we are watching your festival here.
सो हाउ इज दिस फेस्टिवल? आर यू एंजॉयिंग?
Yes, yes, very much. Very interesting for us, as you know, different culture for us, and we came to see you.
So you come from Turkey?
Yes, Turkey.
Which part of Turkey?
What? Which part?
Which part?
Near Istanbul.
Near
Not
Istanbul.
Istanbul, not from Istanbul, near Istanbul.
So how many days have been spent in Pakistan?
Totally 18 days.
18 days.
In Valais, approximately 10 days.
And you have specially come for this festival?
Yes, our group especially for festival, but my friends and me traveled your some city, for example, Karachi, Islamabad, Lahore.
So how is this valley, this Chitral Valley, Kailash Valley, the beauty of this valley? What do you have observed here?
Very different, very natural.
Okay.
They are very interesting for us because you know that we are live in cities, everything is same, but here everything is very
It was
different.
difficult to come here.
Life is very difficult, I think.
Now, the journey was difficult when you come from the city to this valley.
No.
It was okay.
Yes.
Hi, assalamu alaikum.
Selamun alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam.
Thank you.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Mariam.
So you are her friend.
Yes.
So what are your feelings about this culture, this isolated culture of Kailash people?
Very different. We love here,
Okay.
and we like Pakistan.
Wow.
Yeah.
Pakistan also like Turkey.
Yes. Same.
Yeah.
Same.
So how was your journey to this valley?
How was it?
How was your journey to this valley? It was difficult, challenging, you know. Your journey.
Very difficult lives here, people.
Okay.
Yes.
So you enjoy it.
Yes. Enjoy.
It was thrilling,
Yes.
adventurous.
Adventure. we every time adventure. Like,
What do you do in Turkey? What's your profession? Profession.
I working in bank. The
In bank,
The bank
okay,
man.
okay.
Yes.
So how
Bank official, but I'm retired.
money
5 years
dealing?
old.
Yeah.
Not money. I have a little money. I love travel, visit other centers.
This Chitrali cap is looking very awesome with you.
Thank you.
You're looking so beautiful, mashallah.
Thank you. Thank
So,
you.
how is the hospitality of the Pakistani people towards you? Pakistani hospitality.
Very wonderful.
Is it amazing?
We are amazing. Yes.
So, have you heard about Islamabad talks?
Same. Islamabad, aynı.
Yeah,
Yes.
Islamabad talks. Peace
Islamabad,
accord
Lahore,
between.
and here people very nice.
You have visited Islamabad, Lahore, and Karachi.
Yes. After Karachi,
After Karachi.
Islamabad and Lahore finish after Karachi.
So you have heard about the Kailashi culture before this tour?
Yani benziyor bu değil mi kültürlerimiz? Ne? Maybe.
First time. Yeah, you heard about the Kailashi culture first time when you come to Pakistan.
Yes, for first time.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
And Pakistan first time.
Okay, enjoy your trip and
very
wish you both best of luck.
Thank you very much.
Pakistan Zindabad. Pakistan Zindabad.
Yes.
टर्की जिंदाबाद।
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
thank you so very much। जिंदाबाद। तो नाज़रीन, ये टर्किया से हमारे मेहमान हैं जो बहुत इंजॉय कर रहे हैं कैलाश के कल्चर को और पाकिस्तान की हॉस्पिटैलिटी को। और ये 18 दिनों के लिए यहाँ पर आए हैं तो ख़ास तौर पर कैलाशी लोगों की ये तहजीब व तमद्दन देखने के लिए, इनका कल्चर देखने के लिए, इनका रक्स देखने के लिए यहाँ पर आए हैं और ये बहुत खुश हैं और इंजॉय कर रहे हैं और पाकिस्तान के लिए भी नेक ख्वाहिशात का इज़हार कर रहे हैं। इसके साथ ही मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। देखते रहिए आज़ाद डिजिटल। खुदा हाफिज़।